Imagine a typical morning. The sky gradually lightens, and the dark gives way to the sun's rays. This is no ordinary event. It's a daily miracle of sunlight. This celestial spectacle, a routine occurrence for us, is far more than just an aesthetic marvel. It's the lifeblood of our planet, a source of sustenance, and a force that influences countless aspects of our lives. Picture this. As the night recedes, the sun rises, and with it comes an influx of sunlight. But this sunlight does more than just chasing away the darkness. It plays a crucial role in setting our biological clocks. Our bodies are intricately wired to respond to the sun's light, helping us maintain a healthy sleep-wake cycle. The timing of the sunrise and the intensity of the sun's rays signal to our bodies when it's time to wake up and start our day. But the sun's role doesn't stop at just jolting us out of slumber. It's the primary source of light for our planet. It's the sun's light that allows us to see and navigate our world during the day. Without it, we'd be left in perennial darkness, only able to function under the artificial light we've created. Moreover, sunlight is the driving force behind weather patterns. The sun's rays heat the earth unevenly, causing variations in pressure and temperature. These variations lead to winds, ocean currents, and ultimately the weather we experience. As we delve deeper into the science of sunlight, we'll discover that these are just the tip of the iceberg. Sunlight is responsible for a myriad of processes that sustain life on Earth, from photosynthesis in plants to vitamin D production in our bodies. As we transition from night to day, the sun's rays not only illuminate our world, but also set the rhythm of life on Earth. So, the next time you witness a sunrise, take a moment to appreciate not just its beauty, but also its profound significance in our daily lives. But have you ever wondered, where does this sunlight come from? What is it made of? Well, let's dive into the heart of the sun to find out. The sun, a giant ball of hot, glowing gases, is powered by a process called nuclear fusion. In the sun's core, hydrogen atoms collide and merge to form helium. This process is so intense that it releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. Imagine billions of tiny, energetic light particles, called photons, bursting out and embarking on a remarkable journey. Now, these photons don't get to the surface of the sun and out into space all at once. They play a cosmic game of pinball, bouncing around and colliding with other particles for thousands of years before they finally break free from the sun's surface. And when they do, they're shot out into space at the speed of light. That's around 186,000 miles per second. But what is sunlight actually made of? Well, it's a blend of different types of light, each with its own unique wavelength. There's the visible light that our eyes can detect, which makes up just a small fraction of the sun's total energy. This is the light that paints our skies in vibrant hues of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Then there's ultraviolet light, which our eyes can't see, but our skin can certainly feel. It's this UV light that gives us a tan, or a sunburn if we're not careful. Last but not least, there's infrared light, also invisible to the naked eye, but we experience it as the warmth from the sun on our skin. So, the sunlight we enjoy every day is a complex mixture of wavelengths, born from the heart of our blazing sun. Now that we've seen the birth of sunlight, it's time to follow its journey to Earth. Picture this. From the fiery heart of the sun, a photon, a particle of light, is born. It begins its journey, racing through the universe at a staggering speed of approximately 186,000 miles per second. This photon, this tiny particle of light, is on a mission to bring energy and light to our world. As it travels across the vast expanse of space, it faces no obstacles, moving in a straight line. But once it reaches the outskirts of our planet, it encounters the Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere, a protective blanket of gases, serves as the first hurdle in the photon's path. As the photon plunges into the atmosphere, it experiences refraction, a bending of its path due to the change in medium. This bending causes the sunlight to spread out, scattering across the sky. But the journey doesn't end here. The scattering of sunlight is not uniform. It's more effective for shorter wavelengths of light like blue and violet. That's why on a clear day, the sky appears blue. But wait, why not violet, you ask? Well, our eyes are more sensitive to blue light, and besides, sunlight contains less violet light to begin with. As the sunlight continues to scatter, it illuminates our world, bathing everything in its warm golden glow. It is this scattered light that brightens our day, that paints the sky at dawn and dusk with hues of pink, orange, and red. This, my friends, is the incredible journey of a single ray of sunlight, a journey of 93 million miles, a journey that takes just over 8 minutes to complete. a journey that brings life, warmth, and color to our world. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember the incredible journey that each ray of sunlight has taken to reach us. Sunlight does more than just light up our world, it's an essential part of life on Earth. It's time to delve a little deeper into the life-giving properties of sunlight, starting with a process that's at the heart of life on our planet, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, for those who might need a refresher, is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria transform sunlight into chemical energy. They capture light energy and use it to convert water and carbon dioxide into glucose, a type of sugar that serves as a primary food source for these organisms. This process not only sustains plant life, but it also plays a vital role in the global carbon cycle, helping to regulate our planet's climate. But plants aren't the only organisms that benefit from the sun's rays. Let's turn our attention to us, humans. Sunlight plays a crucial role in our health too. When our skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. This vitamin is essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth, and it also supports our immune system. Some research even suggests that sunlight can improve our mood. Ever noticed how a sunny day can make you feel happier and more energetic? That's because sunlight triggers our brain to release a hormone called serotonin, which is associated with boosting mood and helping us feel calm and focused. Sunlight also helps regulate our internal body clock, known as the circadian rhythm. This natural timekeeper is influenced by environmental factors, especially light and darkness. It's why we feel awake during the day and sleepy when night falls. So, from powering photosynthesis to producing vitamin D, boosting our mood, and regulating our body clock, sunlight is truly a life-giving force. Sunlight, then, is not just a source of light, but a life-giving force that fuels our world. Let's never underestimate the importance of that golden glow in the sky. It's more than just a light show. It's a testament to the intricate, interwoven processes that sustain life on our planet. Sunlight is a gift that keeps on giving, and we humans have found ingenious ways to harness it. Let's begin with solar energy, an abundant and renewable source of power that has been making waves in the world of sustainable living. Solar panels with their photovoltaic cells are designed to capture sunlight and convert it into usable electricity. From powering homes and businesses to lighting up streets and charging electric vehicles, the applications are endless. But the benefits of sunlight aren't just limited to energy production. Sunlight is a natural mood booster. Exposure to natural light helps our bodies produce serotonin, often referred to as the happy hormone. This brain chemical is associated with boosting mood and helping a person feel calm and focused. Without enough sun exposure, our serotonin levels can dip, leading to a higher risk of seasonal affective disorder, a type of depression that's related to changes in seasons. Moreover, sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in many body functions, including bone health, immune system function, and inflammation reduction. We can get vitamin D through diet and supplements, sure, but sunlight is the most natural and efficient source. And let's not overlook the benefits of sunlight on our sleep patterns. Exposure to sunlight during the day can help regulate our body's internal biological clock, known as the circadian rhythm. This, in turn, helps promote better sleep at night. So whether it's powering our homes, uplifting our mood, nourishing our bodies, or regulating our sleep, the sun surely has a lot to offer. But remember, while the sun is beneficial, it's important to protect ourselves from its harmful ultraviolet rays. Use sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and avoid direct sunlight during peak hours. In the end, sunlight is more than just a light source. It's the very foundation of life. Every ray that touches us brings energy, warmth, and a chance to seize the day.